Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and I'm going to do a simple stamping card. And as you know, simple stamping is stamps, ink, and paper. So what we're going to bring this up. What stamp set we're using is we're going to be using Flowering Desert. We are going to be using Tranquil, Tide, Berry Burst, and Lemon Lime Twist for ink, and we are going to be using a Whisper White note card. Now, I am going to show you this one. As you guys all know, I was in Death Valley in January, and there is a prickly pear cactus there called the Purple Tinged Prickly Pear. And it goes from green with a little purple around the pads to bright purple, I mean, anywhere in between. I just love that prickly pear cactus. So I wanted to do my own prickly pear, purple tinged prickly pear cactus. Now you don't have to do a purple tinged one. You can stop with the Tranquil Tide and just put your saying on there if you want. But if you want to do a purple tinged prickly pear cactus, I'll show you how to do it, okay? First off, I am going to just stamp everything, all the cacti, the prickly pear cactus in Tranquil Tide. So you can make it, I've got 3 different pads. I've got the big pad, I've got a little long one, and then a little round one. And so I am just going to stamp all of these how I want them. And usually you'll see prickly pears. Now they do have some that are really close to the ground and one or two, just 1 or 2 pads. Let me bring this up so you can see what I'm doing, okay? But, sorry, I hope that goes, okay. I tried to, but this one is going to be a big bushy one. I like big bushy prickly pears. And let's put another one on top of that. And again, you can do it any way you want. Prickly pears don't have really a set look. Oh. Well, I'm going to put another one just on this order, so it looks like it's hiding that one, and then a couple of the little ones. I don't know why it's shaking so much today. Okay, now you can leave it like that and just put your saying on it, and this would just be a regular prickly pear cactus, okay? But I wanted to show you how to do a purple tinge. So I'm cleaning off my stamps because I am going to use Berry Burst on it, okay? I'm not going to use Berry Burst full strength, so what I am going to do is I'm going to ink it up, and then I'm going to stamp off, and then I'm just going to lightly stamp on these. Now you can do it so it is all purplish tinged. Thing about purple tinged prickly pear it is not uniform. I mean, you could see some with have real bright green and purple pads, or you can see them that only have purple pads, or in between. Okay. And I think I want it a little darker than that. And there you've got a purple tinged prickly pear. And now I am going to use, because I love my lemon lime twist, and I'm really sad that it's going to go away June 3rd. I love lemon lime twist. And I am just going to put the saying, be your own kind of beautiful. Because that's what a purple tinged prickly pear is. Its own kind of beautiful. So for Stampin' Cap with Mary and Simple Stamping, remember you can follow me on YouTube, and all the information to purchase everything you need is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.